5G Adventure Outdoors, sharing the outdoors with family and friends.
Hey guys, welcome to 5G Adventure Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing a anchor trolley install on the Lifetime YUKON kayak. So first we're going to start with the pad eye on the back of the kayak right here. I set it 16 inches from the back of the kayak, and then I set it 16 inches from the front of the kayak, and I put my mark. So I'm going to go ahead and put the screws in and get this going. You don't want to, if you're using an impact like I am, you want to just put them in loosely because you could easily strip out your plastic on your kayak with these stainless steel screws. So just kind of eyeballing it here as far as depth for the distance right here. Just want to be just above the water line on my kayak. So I don't want to be too high, so I want my trolley to be as low to the water, or as close to the water as can be. So now I'll just take a screwdriver and tighten them up. All right. Now we'll move to the front. On the back side, I use the screws because I don't have a hatch. There's no way for me to get back to the back of the kayak there's no hatch back there. So on the front though, I do have this great big hatch right here. So I'm actually going to drill it out and put bolts in the front just for a little more stability. So on it, about the same location. Again, I put it 16 inches, and then I'm just going to kind of eyeball it the same as I have on the back, but I am going to mark it first because I will be drilling it out. All right. So now I am tightening up the bolts. These have a nylon lock washer or a lock nut on them. So now I'm just tightening up the bolts. Now we're going to put the carabiners on and the pulleys. Now we'll take the rope . Run it through the pulley here. Tie on the D loop, or this thing is round, but tie on the loop for your anchor to go through. Doesn't have to be anything perfect, just enough to get it started. All right. You're going to want to just kind of tie it on right here. Just get it snug so that you can locate the rest or the other pad eyes and your zigzag cleat. Alright guys, next I'm going to put these guide pad eyes on. We ordered these from Yak Attack. I really like the way that they work. They allow your top rope to keep it in place, and then it's got a hook here on for the bottom rope to help keep it in its place as well. This particular anchor trolley system we bought didn't come with other pad eyes, so I really liked the way that these looked, and we wanted to try them out. So on this particular kayak, it has the place here for the paddle. So I basically set this centered, and so I'm just going to locate my pad eye here right at the end of the mark here for the paddle. So, and again, I'm just going to hold it down, just kind of eyeball it to have it the same height as the rope and the other pad eye back here. I will mark these out as well. So on these particular pad eyes, the screws, they don't have a very good tip point on them to actually drill through the plastic. So I drilled out pilot holes so I could go ahead and get these put in. And make sure that whenever you put this on, that you don't have your rope hooked under the plastic so it will move freely. And again, you want to, if you're going to use your impact, make sure that you don't tighten it down too tight, or you could easily strip out the plastic on your kayak. So, all right, I'm going to drill out the next two holes. All right, looks pretty good. So now I'm going to locate our zigzag cleat, and again, where my seat sits and where this will be easily accessible, I'm going to put it just pretty much dead center of like where this paddle holder is at. Okay, so we're going ahead and locate that, and we're going to go ahead and mount it. Tighten this up just a little bit. Alright guys, and that's all there is to it. This particular anchor trolley system we got from H2O Kayaks. It's a pretty good system, and we have one on our one of our other videos we installed on a Lifetime Tamarack kayak. It's for my wife, and she really seems to like it a lot. So if you like what you see here, give us a like and a subscribe. There will be everything that we've used will be linked below in the description. And thank you guys very much.